Hi guys, welcome to tutorial Race, and in this video I'm going to discuss about CRUD operation in React.js. So in this video you will learn how to do this CRUD operation in React.js. Now let's see the technology used. The first one is React.js, and React.js we will use as a front-end programming language. So for front-end framework we will be using React.js, and as you know that React.js is a framework of Facebook and which is based on JavaScript ESX6. And for backend we will be using PHP MySql, and we will create REST API using PHP MySql, and we will use that as a backend language. Now let's see the target audience. The first one is you must know basic of React.js. The second one is you also must know the basic of PHP and MySql. So for to understand this video, you must have basic knowledge of React.js as well as you must have basic knowledge of PHP MySql. Now here are the steps that we will be following during this CRUD operation. So these are the steps that we will be following during this video tutorial. The first one is React.js application installation. So we will install the React.js application first. The second one will be configure React routing. The third one will be create the bootstrap form. The fourth one will be submit the form. Fifth one, create backend on PHP MySql. Sixth one, create database in tables. Seventh one, create connection through PHP MySql. The eighth one will be create REST API. The ninth one will be install XCRC's library and insert a post request. So here we will install XCRC's library using which we will post the data from React.js, and data will be inserted into PHP using PHP and into MySql. After inserting the data, we will display the data once again into our React.js application, and then we will do edit and update functionality, and at last we will do the delete operation as well. So these are the steps which we are going to cover during this training. So let's see step by step that how we will perform this CRUD operation using the React.js as a front end and PHP MySql REST API as a backend. The first one is React application installation. So requirement to install this application, the first one is that you should install LTS or long-time support version of Node.js, and the second one is any text editor. In my case, I will be using Visual Studio Code, which is very popular for JavaScript application development. So in case you have not installed Node.js LTS version like latest one, you should install that first. So let me show you that how you can do that. Node.js download, and then this one is the LTS version, so you should install this one depending upon your operating system. In my case it is Windows installer. So, and also you have here option if your operating system is 64-bit In that case, you to install this one or else 32 bits. And apart from that, for editor, you can download from here Visual Code Editor. It's also free and it's from Microsoft. It has a lot of features and it is very good for developing JavaScript based framework like Angular, Reactjs or Vue.js. So you can download from here and install. So these are the system requirement or prerequisite things which you should have installed before installing this Node.js application. Once you have installed these two softwares, then the next step will be, this is the command through which we will be creating our React app. So npx create React app, then reactcrud. So let's create this. So for that, let's go to a command prompt, open cmd in Windows, and then we will write this command here, cmd, right click, run as administrator. In F drive, I am inside F drive, then cd reactjs, then md for creating directory, md react. So better, let's install here. So let's write this command, npx create React app, then reactcrud. You can give it any name. In my case here, I have given name reactcrud since we are going to work on this reactcrud operation. That's right. Actually, the directory name reactcrud was already present in my directory. That's why it is displaying this error. So now I have renamed that one as a whole. So let me try again. Now the downloading process has started. It will take some time. Now the installation is complete. So to start the application, we will write here cd and then reactcrud, the folder which we just created. Okay, react cd and then reactcrud, and then we are under the directory reactcrud currently. Now write npm start and press enter. So now our React.js application has now started, and it is also running into the browser, and the port is localhost 3000. After installing this application, now let's install Bootstrap for better UI. So the command is npm install bootstrap --c. So let's write this command into our command prompt. So first Control C 2 times, then this get broken, and then cls, and let me write this command. The command is npm install bootstrap --c. And finally our bootstrap is installed now. Now let's do one thing. Let's open Visual Studio Code. and we open the project inside that editor. In there, file, then open folder. So it's inside my X drive, and then Reactjs, and then reactcrud, this one. Select folder, and then here inside src, just go to app.js, and then here let's add a line of code to include Bootstrap into our application. This line. Now when I started the server npm start, I'm getting this error. Can't resolve this React dev utils, cannot find. Okay, so let me resolve it. Okay, to solve that error, the best option what I did is that I just deleted this node module, okay, completely. I deleted this node module completely, and then I wrote here npm install, okay. I just wrote here npm install, so that now node module got fresh installed, okay. So the missing dependency was reinstalled, so the problem was solved. And then what I wrote here, npm start, and ultimately our server started, and you can see here once again this screen. And also here, if you remember, I had included this Bootstrap link here, okay. And to check if the Bootstrap is working or not, I just wrote a button code here, button, then class name, btn success, this is a Bootstrap class, okay, and then submit now to check if the Bootstrap is working or not. So here, when I tested here, you can see this class is displaying here perfectly, so that means the Bootstrap class is working perfectly. So that's it in this video, and thanks for watching, and stay connected to watch the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.